Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. This is part 1 of the garage renovation series. Given that we spend so much time in the garage, it was important to us to enjoy being in this space. The first step was to disassemble the old workbench that Brandon built when we first moved in. We decided to take it down for 2 reasons. Number 1 reason is that it is very tall because Brandon is really tall. He is really the only one that could use it. Second reason is that we wanted a longer workbench that you will actually see built later on in this video. After disassembling the workbench, the next step was clearing the entire garage. We did this project in early October in between rain and had to keep all of our stuff in the backyard. The next step was prepping the floors. This was not filmed, but Brandon sanded imperfections in the floor with our sander using a heavy grit. He washed the floor with a water hose and used Zep natural floor cleaner and a scrub brush. Next step was applying the paint, decorative floor flakes, and epoxy resin. We applied concrete paint using a regular paintbrush for the sides and a paint roller with an extension pole for the center of the floor. While applying the paint, we sprinkled 24 ounces of decorative floor flakes. We allowed the paint to sit for 24 hours. Once dry, Brandon applied clear epoxy resin. He bought 2 A and B jugs. This resin needs 48 hours to dry before you can walk on it and 72 hours before you can drive on it. The next part of the project was installing the cabinets. We paid $150 for cabinets off of Facebook Marketplace. These cabinets were originally used in a motorcycle shop. Brandon painted cabinets with cracked pepper paint from Home Depot. He also painted extra cabinets that we already owned and we bought from Facebook Marketplace for free when we first moved in. Next step was installing the cabinets. Brandon used a stud finder and marked the studs. He used a 2x4 and drilled it into the wall to support the cabinets with being level and holding them in place while they are screwed in. He also used clamps to keep the cabinets in place and to make sure they are flush with each other. He used the same process for the cabinets near the indoor door. We are a lifestyle channel that features a variety of content from cooking to unboxing to anything that can be a DIY style project. We would really love it if you would like, subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when we post another video. The last step was not filmed, which included installing drawer pulls on all of the cabinets. I hope you enjoyed part 1 of this renovation video and hope that you come back to see part 2 next week. We hope that you all have a great week. See you next time.